Hello, teacher.
My name is Rose. What's your name?
My name is Rose.
Okay, Rose, we're gonna have welcome to your starter speaking test. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's look at here. This is a picture of a beach, and it's a beautiful day because it's sunny day. Here is the woman. Where is the old woman? Where is the girl? What about the hat? Where's the hat? Good. Now let's look at these. Which is the ball? I'm putting the ball next to the hat. Now, put the ball under the bird. Okay. Which is the kite? Put the kite in front of the lorry. Okay. Which is the camera? Put the camera between the two dresses. Okay, great job. What is this?
Is
Is it the sea or the sun?
the sea?
What's the color of the sea?
Is blue?
How many people are there in the sea?
Is two?
What is the boy doing?
Blue is swimming.
Tell me about this girl. The girl is, what is the girl doing? Or what's the color of her hair?
The bird is yellow.
Okay, one more time. The girl has got
Has
yellow.
yellow hair.
Okay, good. Now, what is this? What are
Is
these?
two?
They are.
They are two.
Do you wear green shoes?
No.
No, I. Okay. And what about the color of your shoes? What color are they?
There are blue.
What is this?
Is radio.
Do you have a radio?
No.
What's your favorite song?
Is what? Is
Do you like nursery songs like Five Little Ducks, Baby Shark, Old MacDonald? Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. The star. You like the star song? Okay. What are these?
is family.
They are.
They are two.
Do you wear trousers? Do you wear trousers?
Yes.
I.
I would.
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
What's the color? What color are your trousers?
It's white. They are pink.
They are.
They are pink and white.
Okay. What is this?
It's picture.
Do you take pictures?
Yes.
I.
Uh,
Yes, I.
Yes, I do.
What pictures do you take?
The family.
Okay. Now, can you swim, Rose?
Yes.
Where do you swim?
Uh,
In the sea or in the pool?
in the sea.
Okay. Who do you swim with?
Mm,
Do you swim with your mom or with your dad, your family?
the family.
Mine.
My family.
Okay, so that's all, Rose. Thank you and goodbye.